Trina here. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, today's video is going to be a tutorial. I wanted to film a tutorial utilizing one eyeshadow. I too much don't wear a lot of eyeshadow just because I'm not as comfortable with applying them, so I'm working on my blending. So I really wanted to focus on one shadow today, and I wanted to do a quick tutorial. I was actually in the store and I got this idea. I saw this item right here, and it is a Crush Grape Soda, and I was like, that's what I'm gonna do. This tutorial is called Grape Soda. Get into it. Get you a grape soda, honey, and let's get into it. Listen, I hope you guys like this. Again, this is just a one eyeshadow pretty much look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you want to keep seeing these tutorials and me and my madness of trying to blend. Comment down below. Let me know you're interested and you like it. Also, hit that red button. What you doing? Hit that red button and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on the bell notification so that you can see every time I upload a video and become part of the Bestie clan. And until next time, guys and girls. Oh wait, no, come socialize with me on Instagram, on Twitter, and on Snapchat. It is all Trina Felicia. And until next time, guys and girls, I will see you all in my next video. I hope y'all like this, girl. Come on, natural girl, natural girl. Grape soda. Later. Bye.
All right, guys, so we're just going in with our Urban Decay shadow primer, and then I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette, and I'm just going to take that purple shade and we're just packing that on the lid. That's our main shade that we're using. We're just going to pack that on. The trick with using just one shade is the blending. So that's why I'm trying to work on my blending. So I wanted to utilize one shade. And I believe that shade is called Canis. I think that's how you say it. But it's in the Anastasia Riviera palette. It's a very, very pigmented palette. I love this purple shade. So I'm just packing that on the eye. And then you're going to see me eventually go in and blend that shade out, because you want to blend out those harsh lines. So I'm just going in trying to blend that shade out. Next, I went in with my MAC 224 brush. That's the crease brush. I just wanted to go in to deepen the crease a little bit. The good thing about that brush is that it blends while it adds product. And so that's what I was doing there. Then I went in with my MAC 212 brush to go in and add a highlight to the brow bone. Then you're going to see me going in again to blend. Blending is so important when doing eyeshadow looks. So I just went in and blend those colors together. Next, I went in and applied my Fenty Beauty primer. I'm sorry that it left so quickly to show you guys, but we're just going to rub that into the skin before applying our Fenty foundation. And I did use Fenty. I am in the shade I'll put it down in the description, guys, but I did go in with the Fenty foundation, the Pro Filter, and I actually like this foundation. I'm in the shade 430. So I really like that foundation. I think it blended out really well. So yeah, that was a really nice foundation for me to use. I've used it before, but I don't wear it as often. So I'm just blending that using a beauty sponge there. My Sonia Cashier, I think that's how you say it, beauty sponge. Next, after we apply the foundation and make sure that it is blended out well, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. 16-Hour Concealer. I'm applying the shade Deep Chestnut. Y'all, I love this concealer. Y'all know I like full coverage concealers. If you're looking for a full coverage drugstore concealer that lasts all day, this is definitely a way to go. The e.l.f. 16-Hour Concealer works like a dream come true. I try to work fast when I apply it because it will dry down, but if it dries down on you, you can just spray some Fix Plus on your sponge and it'll still apply creamy. I absolutely love this concealer. It is definitely a full coverage concealer. So I'm just blending that concealer out. Always remember, anytime you're utilizing a cream or any type of liquid on your face, you always want to set it with a powder. So you will see me set it, of course, to keep it from creasing. That's very important. I have some people ask me about that. So you'll see me blending out the concealer. I mean, this concealer is magic, girl. Voila, magic. Okay. I absolutely love this concealer. I did something that I don't normally do. I went into the my forehead with the concealer. I don't do that on a everyday basis, but I did want to try something a little bit different for me. So I did go into applying the concealer in the center of my face, and I think I like it. I may probably do that more often. But that's what I'm doing there, is applying the concealer. Next, I did go in and set it with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. So I'm just going to go in and set that concealer again. It's very important so that it doesn't move, it doesn't crease, especially up under my eyes where I have those fine lines. So that's what I'm doing there. Just packing on that powder, girl, and pressing it into the skin. I absolutely love this powder. It sets very, very well. Next, I'm going to go in with an angle brush and just try to contour my nose a little bit. I don't do much contouring, but I try to contour my nose. It's something that I'm still working on. But that's what I went in and did. And then I always like to go back with a beauty sponge and press that powder into my skin. Next, I'm going to set my entire face with some pressed powder. I absolutely love to set my face. I have to, because I have combination to oily skin. I have to set my face at all times. Then I'm going to go in with probably my favorite blush from MAC, and that is in the shade Blunt. I'm just going to add some to my cheeks. I absolutely love this blush. Y'all know this is probably my top favorite. I did apply my lashes and my liner off camera. Then I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild highlighter. I had never used this. I brought this a while ago. It's in the shade Botanic Dream, and it is so beautiful. I felt like it complemented this look very well. Now you're gonna just see me go back into that purple shade, and I'm just going to smoke out my bottom lash line. I've never done this. I really don't do this, so I am really stepping outside of my box. So if you see any mistakes, I'm so sorry. Then I went into my inner tear duct with that same highlight that I used because it's like a lighter purple. I thought that was so pretty to put in my inner tear duct there. And then I'm just adding some clear lip gloss that I picked up from Walgreens, and that's pretty much it for the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this, but I'm just adding a clear gloss, and that's pretty much it. I feel like grape soda came together, and I think purple looks good on me, girl. I like that. I gotta do that again. So if you want to see more of these one shadow looks, keep watching. All right, you have a great day. Bye, Bestie.